Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever built, the 1971 Plymouth Cuda Convertible. This car is a rare gem, a symbol of pure Mopar power, and a dream ride for collectors around the world. Let's jump right into what makes this machine so legendary. Exterior. Starting with the exterior. The 1971 Cuda Convertible has a bold and aggressive design that instantly grabs attention. Its long, wide stance and muscular lines give it that unmistakable Mopar attitude. The front end features the famous split grille and quad headlights, giving it a fierce, predatory look. The shaker hood is one of the biggest highlights, especially on the high-performance models, allowing the engine's air intake to rise through the hood and shake with every throttle. Down the sides, you'll notice the clean body lines, the classic Cuda stripes, and the sculpted fenders that make the car look powerful even when it's standing still. The convertible roof adds an extra level of charm, perfect for cruising with the top down. The rear end is just as stylish, featuring the iconic taillights, chrome bumper, and dual exhausts that hint at the beast under the hood. Every angle of the 71 Cuda Convertible screams classic American muscle. Interior. Now let's step into the interior. Inside, the Cuda Convertible blends sportiness with 70s comfort. You're greeted by bucket seats that wrap around you, giving a true performance driving feel. The dashboard is driver-focused with large gauges, a performance-style steering wheel, and classic toggle switches that bring you back to the golden era of muscle cars. Many models came with leather or high-quality vinyl upholstery, and the convertible setup makes the cabin feel spacious and open. Features like the pistol grip shifter, wood grain trim, and optional center console give the interior that premium touch. Even though it's nearly 50 years old, the cockpit still feels exciting, raw, and full of character. Performance. Now let's talk about performance, the heart of the Cuda. The 1971 Plymouth Cuda offered several engine options, starting from the 340 V8 and going all the way up to the legendary 426 Hemi. The Hemi version is extremely rare and highly sought after, delivering massive horsepower and brutal acceleration. Even the 383 and 440 big block engines provided strong torque and that unmistakable Mopar sound. Depending on the setup, the Cuda could be paired with a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic transmission. The suspension was built for performance, offering tight handling for its time, and the dual exhausts produced one of the most iconic muscle car growls ever heard. Top-down cruising in a Cuda Convertible with a big block engine is an experience like no other. Raw power, old-school vibes, and pure American muscle. Finally, the conclusion. The 1971 Plymouth Cuda Convertible isn't just a classic car, it's a legend. With its aggressive exterior, stylish interior, and incredible performance options, it represents the peak of the muscle car era. Today, it's one of the rarest and most valuable Mopars on the planet, with collectors willing to pay huge amounts to own even a well-preserved example. If you're a fan of vintage American power, the 71 Cuda Convertible is a masterpiece that delivers style, performance, and history all in one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car videos.